The removal inspection cover on the Gorman-Rupp Super T-Series pump has an easy grip handle, which allows access to the pump interior without disturbing the clearance space between the impeller and wear plate. If a clog does occur, simple removal of 2 nuts provides quick and easy access to the obstruction. If additional access to the pump is required, the back cover assembly can also be easily removed. Just remove the 4 nuts and pry the back cover assembly away from the casing. A secondary method of removing the assembly from the pump casing is to install 2 1/2-inch by 2-inch cap screws into the tapped holes in the back cover. With a socket wrench, use the cap screws to push the back cover assembly away from the pump casing. When the assembly has been removed, inspect the wear plate and replace if it is damaged or worn. To remove the wear plate from the back cover assembly, disengage the hardware. Gorman-Rupp offers a variety of wear plates available for Super T-Series and Ultra V-Series pumps. Before returning the assembly to the casing, inspect the back cover O-rings and replace if necessary.